Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about 5 essential strategies for mastering critical thinking. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Critical thinking is a crucial skill for effective problem solving and decision making. By honing this skill, individuals can navigate complex challenges with clarity and confidence. Here are 5 expert strategies to enhance your critical thinking abilities. Develop analytical skills. Refine your ability to dissect complex issues by breaking them down into manageable components. Practice objective analysis, identifying patterns, and uncovering underlying assumptions. Ask thought-provoking questions. Challenge assumptions and deepen your understanding by posing insightful questions. Cultivate curiosity and explore diverse perspectives to gain a comprehensive insight into various topics. Practice active listening. Improve critical thinking by becoming an active listener. Engage fully in conversations, ask probing questions, and seek to understand different viewpoints before forming conclusions. Seek diverse perspectives. Expand your horizons by exposing yourself to a range of viewpoints. Engage in discussions with individuals from diverse backgrounds to gain fresh insights and approaches. Apply logical reasoning. Refine your ability to assess arguments and make informed judgments. Practice deductive and inductive reasoning. Evaluate evidence objectively and draw logical conclusions based on facts. Conclusion: by incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can enhance your critical thinking skills, empowering yourself to tackle challenges with clarity and creativity. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.